Hi, this is Dave at AFX Title and TitleSearch.com. What are the effect of heirs on title or inheritance of real estate title interest? First thing to take a look at is how was the inheritance transferred on title? Was there actually a deed of transfer from one generation to another? Was there some type of probate action that intentionally transferred title through a court system, or even a will that had an executor that transferred title? In many cases, what will happen is a property will be owned by a distant generation. It could be a family farm that's been owned for many years, and then that generation becomes deceased, and this next generation, the sons, daughters, just simply take it over and start living there, paying taxes without any actual transfer. And so the actual name on title will be the deceased party that's the older generation. And then it may even go another generation where the children of that deceased owner pass it along to their children or one of their children, and no intentional title transfer takes place. It just kind of assumed that whoever's paying taxes has the property. The problem comes up is, 50, 60 years later, when that property needs to either have a mortgage or a transfer or some other type of reconciliation, maybe with the other siblings who are not living there, you find that title is in the name of a long since deceased owner. So it's better to do this transfer earlier than later. You may need to get quitclaim deeds from other siblings or people that were heirs to that property that were not properly transferred out of title. First thing to do is run a title search, see what ownership interests there are. Sometimes the vesting makes a difference. Was it owned in joint tenancy or tenants in common? And that would affect how that property transferred to the heirs and what rights they may have. You probably want to get some good legal advice, but start with a title search, see what name is on the title, and see how it was transferred. Was it transferred by a deed? Maybe there was a trust set up, maybe a power of attorney. Sometimes a probate or a will transfer that property as well from one generation to another. If you have more questions, you can reach us at our website, TitleSearch.com.